Hi guys, so now I'm going to show you how I made this crochet strawberry applique. So these are the things that we will be needed for our strawberry applique. Green, red, and black yarn, and then 3.25 crochet hook, and then the scissors. So let's get started. So we will start by making our magic ring, and then we will chain 2. Our chain 2 stands for our first double crochet, and then we will put 12 double crochet inside the ring. So including that chain 2, total of 12 double crochet. So I'll finish this and I'll meet you at the end of my 12 double crochet. So I'm done with my 12 double crochet. So we will pull the tail to close the ring, and then we will slip stitch at the very first stitch that we made in that chain 2, and then we will make a single crochet at the same stitch where we slip stitch, and then at the next stitch we will put 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then at the very next stitch we will put a half double crochet and 1 single crochet. So we are still in the 3rd stitch, and then at the 4th stitch we will put 1 single crochet, and then in the 5th stitch we will also put 1 single crochet. Then at the next stitch we will put a half double crochet and 1 double crochet. And then chain 1, and then the next stitch half double crochet. 1 double crochet in the half double crochet. And then at the next stitch we will make a single crochet, and then single crochet again at the next stitch, and then at the next stitch we will make a single crochet and a half double crochet in 1 stitch. So we are just like repeating the pattern at the other side. And then after this we will put 4 double crochet in the next stitch. So like at the very start of our applique. So the shape of this is like the heart shape. And then at the next stitch, the last stitch, we will put a half double crochet. So that's our last half double crochet, and then after that we will make a slip stitch at the next stitch. So there you are. Now I am adding the leaves, so I will just insert my hook at the very at the 4th stitch from the previous round. So 1, this is the half double crochet, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will chain 1, and then I will put half double crochet, and then half double crochet again. So we will make a 4 half double crochet. So after the 4 half double crochet, we'll make that single crochet, and then we will slip stitch in the middle of our applique where we do the slip stitch at the previous line, at the previous row, and then we will chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then we will slip stitch at the second stitch at the second chain from our hook. Slip stitch, and then again we will do our slip stitch again at the same stitch where we made our chain of 3, and then we will repeat that pattern which at the same at the other side. So we will do our half double crochet 4 times, 2, 3, and then 4. And then we will slip stitch that green yarn at the same stitch where we have our last half double crochet. And then we're done for our leaves. We'll just cut the yarn and wave the tail at the back of our applique. So this is how it looks like now, and then after that we will be adding our seed. So I'll just grab my black yarn and then the darning needle, and then I sew it around to create that black dot as seeds of our strawberry. So there you go, we're almost done. And we're done. Our strawberry applique is ready to serve. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.